Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, Retired Shenanigans. I'm here with another one. Come on into my kitchen. Today is gonna be, I'm not trying to make nothing fancy. I put on me a pot of lima beans and they're full of ham. I had a ham bone left from, I don't know, I had a ham and I cooked it, I saved the bone. I got the pot cooking already. They're almost done. But I'm going to fry me some chicken wings to go with it, and make a biscuit probably. So I'm done cleaned my chicken. I'm just going to show y'all how I season it and get it ready for frying in the deep fryer on the stove. So simple, easy. I'm not going to say quick because beans been cooking a long time, but I haven't had white lima beans in so long. Tell me, do you guys eat white lima beans? I love them. I love them, but I just don't cook them as much because they take so long sometimes. But today is a rainy day here in New York, and I felt like some comfort food. So that's what we're going to have. Lima beans, fried chicken, and some biscuits. Come on along. Chicken all cleaned up, ready for the seasoning. I drained them. I'm going to pat them a little dry because they seem to be a tad bit wet, but I drained them in my strainer, but they still a little wet, but that's fine. So I'm going to dry them just a little bit. Chicken wings. We're going to start with some mustard because we are frying these chicken wings in the deep fryer, and nothing beats putting mustard on your fried food. So we got that. We got some poultry seasoning. My poultry seasoning don't seem to want to open, but there we go. We got it. You know what? Instead of using this, I'm going to use my soul food seasoning. This is better. I told y'all I used to use this all the time. Nothing but. My garlic and herb. I love this stuff. And some slap my mama. I'm going to get a glove so I can mix it up. A glove to mix it up. I'll touch the chicken raw like this, but when I put the seasoning on it, I don't know, I gotta get a glove. I don't want that seasoning all over my hand. I just don't. Is I crazy? Oh, what? I don't know. Look how the mustard is coating this. That mustard is gonna make it crispy. That's what you do. You put the mustard to make it nice and crispy. And we're going to season the flour with the same thing except the mustard. I'm going to get me a nice little bag. I'm going to season the flour with the same seasonings as on the chicken. And then we'll be ready to fry it up in our deep fryer. Alright. Here's my flour bag. I'm going to put a couple of pieces in here. And we're going to take it over to the deep fry. And we're going to fry it up. I got on a glove because I don't want all this seasoning on my hand. So we're going to shake it up. Yeah, I'll be using a new glove for every time probably. Because I don't want to touch this. I don't know. It's just, I don't want to touch it. I just don't want to touch it. So, we're going over to the pot. We're here at the pot. These are my beans cooking. See the lima beans? See them cooking up here? They done. But I want them to dry up a little more. We're going to test the flour. Let's put our top back on our beans. We're going to test the flour over here. I think it needs to get a little more hotter before we drop it in there. So I'm going to wait for it a little bit, let it get a little hotter, and then we'll put the chicken in there. See, I'm going to make me some biscuits. I'm going to make me some biscuits. Know with it. All right. I think the grease isn't hot enough, but we're going to start it. We're going to start putting them in there. Because the sister hungry. This is a little deep fryer. So we can't get many pieces at one time. But good thing about this deep fryer, it cooks fast. Oh, see, it's not too bad. Frying up. That means it's hot. All right. I'm going to take them out. I'll show you how they look. Don't that look good? That's the first batch of chicken. So I'm going to put it on the plate. Put it on the plate and do the second batch. So this deep fryer here is pretty fast cooking. It don't take long at all with this deep fryer. So all them chickens I should be done in no time. In no time. I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Because you know who cleans it, right? Second batch drop. I'll show you when everything is done. When I'm eating my beans and my chicken and my biscuits. So I'll come back to you. Here's the final reveal. Lima beans, fried chicken, and biscuits. Lima beans, white lima beans. You see that? Just taste it. They're hot. Be careful not to burn yourself. So this is not a quick meal, but it's a cheap meal. A bag of these lima beans cost maybe $3 because the beans have gotten expensive. Walmart biscuits, I've made 2. I don't really know the price. And the chicken, I started eating it. It's, I don't know. I buy the bag, big bag, and I eat it as I want it. So let's try the beans. Hot. They're good though. Chicken is smelling. Oh my goodness. This chicken is good. The beans are good too. I'll be done ate it all before I tell y'all what I want. I want to ask y'all to subscribe, like, and comment. I also want to thank you. I've gotten quite a few new subscribers. I want to thank my new subscribers. I want to thank my old subscribers. And I want to thank my future subscribers. I want to thank you. Anyway, you know, I like doing this. It tastes good. And as you hear, I'm still frying chicken over there, but I'm hungry. I couldn't wait to eat. So, we're eating our dinner for tonight. White lima beans, fried chicken, and a biscuit. It's good. So, next time, we'll do something different. Thank you for watching, and thank you for coming along on my journey. I appreciate all you guys. I really, truly do. I wouldn't do this if I didn't like to do it for you guys. So, come back for the next one. Peace.